Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Rocket Lawyer for investor contract templates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Rocket Lawyer for investor contract templates, start by opening your web browser. Type Rocket Lawyer into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Rocket Lawyer website link from the search results. Once on the home page, look for the Documents tab in the top navigation menu. Hover over the Documents tab to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Contracts to access a variety of templates. In the Contracts section, you'll find a list of different document types. Scroll down until you see Investor Contracts or use the search function to find it directly. Click on the Investor Contracts category to view the available templates. Select the specific contract template that suits your needs by clicking on it. You will be directed to a page with details about that contract. Review the information provided to ensure it meets your requirements. Once ready, click on the Create Document button. If prompted, sign in or create a new account with Rocket Lawyer. After logging in, fill in the necessary details required for the template. Once you've completed the information, review it for accuracy. Click on the Save button to store your document, or select Print to get a hard copy. You can also choose to download the document in a preferred format. If you need further assistance, look for the Help or Support section on the website. Here, you can find FAQs or contact customer support for personalized help. After completing these steps, you will have successfully connected with Rocket Lawyer for your investor contract template needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.